Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, just wait 5 seconds please. So that's the home screen, and if you want to change your name in the game, just click to the 3 line at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the first button, your profile. And in the first section, the profile, you can find the profile picture and click to the pencil icon. And here just click to the name and just type your new name, and if you finish, click to the OK button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.